Section 3, Video 2. So let's apply the quadratic formula. Again, the quadratic formula is x equals opposite of b plus or minus b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2a. So in this question we have to make sure it's in standard form, which it is, so that we can properly decide what a is, in this case it's b, what b is, and what c is. We plug that into the equation and we get x equals opposite of b. I'm going to plug it in as is so we can see the work here. B squared that's a 4 minus 4 times a times c. A is 3, C is negative 64, all over 2 times A. Oops. Now do our work, and x equals 4 plus or minus. Now I recommend that inside the root, to make sure we take care of our signs, instead of saying negative 4 here or minus 4, we go plus a negative 4. So a lot of the problems with using the quadratic formula come from making mistakes inside the root. So negative 14 squared, remember it's quantity squared, so it's negative 4 times negative 4, which gives us 16. And our second number, 4 times 3, or negative 4 times 3 times negative 64, is equal to a positive 768 all over 6, which equals 4 plus or minus root of 784 when we add them together, all over 6. And we can actually root that number, believe it or not, and it's 28. So this represents two answers. It represents 4 plus 28 over 6, which is equal to 16/3, and also equals 4 minus 28 over 6, which equals a negative 4. So two solutions, which we know we normally have with quadratics. We didn't have to factor or anything like that, but we did have to be very careful in how we calculate with the quadratic formula, being very careful of our signs. And this ends section 2, video 2.